Hello, also welcome back again. And now we are going to discuss about the trunk link. So, what is trunk link? So, basically, if I want to forward the multiple VLAN information between the two different switches, that could be able to forward by the help of what a trunk link. Okay, trunk link is used to forward the multiple VLAN information through the different switches through a single channel. Okay, let's talk about this network that we have designed. If we have configured VLAN 2 on this switch and VLAN 2 on this switch also, and VLAN 3 on this side and VLAN 3 on this side. Okay. So VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 are configured on this side and VLAN 2 configured on this side and VLAN 3 configured on this side. So VLAN 2 data can be forwarded to VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 data could able to forward to VLAN 3, right? So this could be easily done by the help of the trunking. Okay. So let's design the network. First of all, this is VLAN 3 and left side this is the VLAN 3 and on upper side both of these are VLAN 2. Okay, so VLAN 2 information could able to be forwarded to VLAN 2 by the help of a single channel. So the single channel is available here on the behalf of which we can forward the multiple VLAN information. Okay, so we can forward the VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 at the same time, right or not? From this side, this switch to and this switch and this switch to this switch. Okay, so in between these two through a single channel we can forward the data by creating the trunk link. Okay, so how we can create the trunk link? First of all, go to switch number 1. Okay, so let's go to switch. Okay, enable configuring terminal. Okay, interface FA0/1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, this is the configuration to create the VLAN to the trunk to create the trunk. Okay, enable configuring terminal. Okay, interface F0/1 switch port mode trunk. So this command is used to create the trunk in between the two different switches. By selecting the interface, there are two interface available. This is FA0/1 and FA0/1. We will change the mode to trunk. When we will change the mode of this interfaces to trunk, the link will be become active and become the trunk on other side. Okay. Now we can forward the multiple VLAN information. Let's see practically is it going on or not. Okay. So let's provide the VLAN 2 information on this PC. Okay. And VLAN 3 information on this PC by creating the VLANs. Okay. VLAN 2 name HR. Okay. VLAN 3 name sales. Now on right side also, first of all, create the VLAN. Configuring terminal. VLAN 2 name HR. VLAN 3 name sales. Okay, selecting the interfaces and create the trunk. Okay, interface FA0 slash interface FA0/0/2 switchport mode access switchport access VLAN 2. Okay, interface FA0/3 switchport mode access. Okay, switchport access VLAN 3. Okay. Now let's configure on right side also. Okay. So VLAN go to global configuration mode. Okay. So interface FA0/2 switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 2. Okay. Interface FA0/3 switch port mode access. Okay. Switch switch port access VLAN 3. Okay. Let's go to the privilege mode, put a command show VLAN VLAN brief. Okay. Here you will find that VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 are active, but VLAN 1, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 are active and allotted the FA0/2 and 3. Put a command show interface trunk. So you will find the trunk is on and FA0/1 is used to create the trunk on these two interfaces, these two in between these two switches. Okay. So there all this is how how we can create the trunk in between the two different switches. Okay. So I hope you understand the procedure. Okay, to create the trunk link. Now let's try to forward some data. Okay. Go to PC and provide the IP address 192.168.10.1. So an ARP packet will be generated, forwarded to the switch, and switch will forward to other side, and it will be broadcasted on same department. So what's going on here? That the broadcast generating from VLAN 2 can easily able to forward to VLAN 2 only. There's no interruption to the VLAN 3. Okay. So this is how this could be able to possible by the help of what? The trunk link to carry the multiple VLAN information. Okay, everyone. So have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed the session.